Alright, so I had a problem with my Xiaomi watch color that I couldn't pair with my phone. Sorry guys, I didn't make video, now it's just a picture but I'll try to explain what I've done. So I'm in the UK and I ordered a Xiaomi watch color, and then I tried to pair it with my mobile and I couldn't. So what I've done, I downloaded this Xiaomi Wear app, which is you can find it in Google Play. So I just downloaded that one, and then you have to, when you start it, you have to register. So you have to choose your location, and I choose my location as UK, and it just didn't see the watch, so I didn't know what's going on, why I couldn't pair it, and then I read online that you have to change your location. So when you start this Xiaomi Wear app, in the bottom of the screen there is profile, and you click on profile, and then there is settings, and in the settings you have to change region, and you have to change your location to mainland China. And then when you do so, then the watch will be available to pair, and then you can pair it. So I spent like 40 minutes to find this out, and then once you've done this, you may want to change the language on the phone, and then you just scroll down, press this, stop this, what's this, a knot, that's the setting, a knot. You click on this knot and you go to the lowest menu, and the second up from the bottom, there is the language, and then you click on, and then you can choose English.